Here is a quick beginner's guide to use Flow. Well, if you are using or if you want to use the Flow application, you can get it easily from your Play Store or App Store if you have not yet it installed. Then you can simply go ahead and proceed to log in. Now logging in is pretty simple and easy. I've already made a video on it. However, once you're logged in, here are some beginner guides. If you want to log in your daily insights here, so you can see my daily insights, you can see log your symptoms. If you want to log your symptoms, as if you're having any sex drives, if you're in any such moods, symptoms, you can log it in here. For example, if you're having vaginal itching, you can tap on it and you can select it. And if you're having discharge, or if not, you can select no discharge. If you're having problem with digestion and stool, you can select it and you can proceed to apply it and set it. And now you can see here, give you the reason and assumption based on it. If you want insight tabs, you can check out the community insights here for various educational matters. Here you can see the secret chats option. You'll also be able to have private chats with other users if you have added them. And also if you want to link your partner, you can see the partner tab. If you have a partner, you can tap on link your partner and you can share your pairing code, and now share this using this pairing code. Others will be able to join up as your partner. Hope this video was helpful. Do like and subscribe.